Nature is so beautiful. I just feel it a part of me. I want you to feel it a part of you too. I just feel like it follows me everywhere I go, every direction. There's nothing else more beautiful than the trees, the wind, the sky, the sun. Oh, here's something. Welcome to nature with NEVEAH. Take a look at this tree. Nothing can beat nature. I swear to you. Lumbar, straight wood. Nothing gets me harder than seeing a tree like this. Nothing is more beautiful than this. Onward! I think we're almost at the end of this finish line, guys. Hey guys, always stay hydrated out there. You don't want to risk anything. Dehydration is the nastiest thing. Oh, hey man, you got this. Oh, wow. Nature is so helpful. There is nothing that can make me hate nature. I love it here. What? Stay off my turf. What happened? You still love nature?
What happened last night?
Stay off my turf.